Hi everyone, my name is Vinit Pawar. I'm a senior data analyst at Adent Analytics. So today in this video we are going to see how to create the calculated column for cumulative sales. So as you can see in this visual, I have dropped the date column and the sales column from the sales table, which is the sum of sales. So let's create the column. So first we'll click on sales table and then new column. Then we'll give this column a name, cumulative sales calculated column. Then we'll first write the calculate, and then we need to do sum of sales from the sales table. So we'll just select it, close the bracket, and then we will use the filter function so that we can apply the filter on the table. First we'll remove all the filter from the sales table, close the bracket, and then the invoice date. Based on the invoice date, we are we are doing the cumulative sum. So the invoice date has to be less than or equals to earlier invoice date so that it can sum up the values from the previous invoice date. Close the filter function bracket, you close the calculate bracket and then hit enter. Okay, so now as you can see we have created the column, so we just have to find out like how we can use these columns. So let's show. So let's drop this. So as you can see currently I've dropped the column, so it is showing 3,49,000, which is not I guess correct value. So instead of this we need to select the maximum, so that it can show the sales on that date, because currently we are doing the sum of the sales on the column level, so we need to show it using the max function, max aggregation. So it depends on scenario like how you wanted to use this calculated column. So as you can see, the sales on the 1st of January is 35,000 and on the 2nd of January it is 48,000. So if you sum up the sales for first and second, so it is 83,000. Similarly for the 3rd of January, it is the sum of sales for the previous three values. So in this way, you can write the DEX calculated column for the cumulative sales. So in next video, I'll show like how to write the measure similarly like this. Thanks for watching.